What if I told you electricity does not actually flow inside wires? Sounds impossible, right? But according to modern physics and ideas connected to Albert Einstein, the truth is far more surprising. Most of us believe electricity flows through wires, just like water flows through a pipe. We imagine electrons rushing inside the wire, carrying energy from one point to another. But here's the problem: that picture is not completely true. In reality, electrons inside a wire move very slowly, sometimes just a few millimeters per second. So, how does energy reach your bulb instantly? Here's where things get interesting. Energy doesn't travel through the wire, it travels around it. Yes, around it. When current flows, it creates something invisible, an electromagnetic field. This field exists in the space surrounding the wire, and this is where the real energy moves. This idea becomes clearer when we look at the work of Albert Einstein. Einstein showed that electricity and magnetism are not separate, they are deeply connected, two sides of the same phenomena. According to his theory of relativity, what looks like electricity in one frame can appear as magnetism in another. This means energy is not just flowing inside wires, it's part of a larger field structure in space. Physicists describe this using something called the Poynting vector. Don't worry, keep it simple. It just means energy flows in the direction of electric plus magnetic fields, and those fields exist outside the wire. So, when you turn on a switch, the wire guides the path, but energy travels through the surrounding space. Here's a mind blowing fact: electrons move slowly, but energy moves almost at the speed of light. Why? Because it's not carried by the electrons themselves, it's carried by the electromagnetic field. And this idea fits perfectly with Einstein's understanding of how energy behaves in space. Imagine a pipe full of balls. When you push one ball, the ball at the other end moves almost instantly. The balls didn't travel the whole distance, the effect traveled. Similarly, electrons push each other, but energy flows through the field. Einstein's work teaches us something deeper. Space is not empty, it is filled with fields and energy. Electricity is not just current in wires, it's a dynamic interaction of fields in space. So, next time you see a light turn on, remember you are witnessing energy moving through invisible fields. So, the next time someone says electricity flows through wires, you'll know the truth. The wire is just a guide. The real energy flows around it. And once again, physics and the ideas linked to Albert Einstein completely change how we see the world.